Shizuoka blends majestic MT Fuji and cutting-edge innovation in Japan's manufacturing heartland. World Heritage views of Fuji amaze, but global industry was born here too. Suzuki, Yamaha, and Honda all trace their roots to this region. Musical giants from Shizuoka still deliver instruments worldwide today. Vast tea fields and advanced technology share the landscape. The spirit of Yaramaika, let's give it a try, fuels creativity here. It's a Japanese hub of both industry and nature. MT Fuji dominates the skyline, visible from many parts of the prefecture. Suzuki's home offers hands-on history at its car museum. Hamamatsu is alive with music, home to Yamaha and Kawai. Honda's story began here, where dreams became innovation. Tamiya's global headquarters anchors the model culture in Shizuoka. Experience ultimate Shizuoka tea in lush fields, made with tradition. Relax at Aizu's renowned onsens, surrounded by sea and mountains. Suinpu Castle, Tokugawa Ieyasu's residence, marks historic peace. Ride the SL Oagawa Railway for vintage steam train nostalgia. Savor Hamana Lake's gourmet anegi, Japanese eel, at century-old farms. From industry to nature, every corner tells a story. Shizuoka's legacy inspires innovators and welcomes travelers alike. Here, tradition and technology coexist seamlessly. Every visit reveals new wonders and authentic spirit. Discover Shizuoka, the soul of Japanese craftsmanship and beauty.